Hi there, welcome back to this channel. Let us attempt these questions. They look technical, but I promise you they are not. All right, number one says that 36 raised to power 1 over 2 plus 16 raised to power 1 over 4 all raised to power minus 2 over 3. All right, so what do we do? Let's basically express this in the proper form. So what does it become? It becomes 36 raised to power half means root 36, isn't it? Plus the fourth root of this, that is the fourth root of 16. Then all raised to power minus 2 over 3. We will not do anything to this yet. So what's the square root of this? 6 plus, what is the fourth root of 16? That will be 2. So we have close bracket minus 2 raised to power 3. So what does that become? 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 raised to power what? Minus 2 over 3. Is that okay? So what does this become? This becomes 1 over, this minus means that it is the reciprocal of this, alright? 8 raised to power 2 over 3. And 8 raised to power 2 over 3 means what? 1 over the cube root of 8 all squared. Is that okay? That is what this means. This means the numerator means power, while the denominator means roots. Is that okay? The numerator of everything here, of this power here. Is that okay? So we have the third root of 8 is what? The third root of 8 is 2. And the square of that is what? 4. So we have 1 over 4. And that is the answer to number 1. Alright. Number 2 says that 5, number 2 says 5 minus x all raised to power 2 over 3. So we have 5 minus x all raised to power 2 over 3. No, 3 over 2 is equal to 8. So what do you do here? Now, seeing this question, what we basically do is this. We are going to multiply, we are going to take, what this expression says is that the square root of this expression and the third power of this expression. Is that okay? So what we'll do is, we are now going to do the opposite of that, which is to do what? To multiply by 2 over 3 to cancel out this power, and multiply this place by 2 over 3 to cancel out the power, which is what? By taking the third root, so that the third root will cancel this third power, and the square power will cancel the square root. Is that okay in this case? So that's mathematical expression there. So this takes care of this, as in 2 cancel 2, 3 cancels 3. So here we are left with 5 minus x is now equal to what? H is equal to 2 over 3. In the same way there, just what we have here, will become what? 5 minus x is equal to what? H is equal to 2 over 3 is third root of 8 all squared. Here it becomes 5 minus x is equal to, the third root of 8 is what? Still 2 all squared, that is 4. 5 minus x is equal to 4. So what do we do here? We subtract x from both sides. Minus x, we could add x to both sides. If we add x to both sides, it means we'll subtract 4 from both sides. Or we subtract 5 from both sides. Let's do that. So it becomes minus x is here. Alright, the very easy thing I could have done is just say that this one should go there, this one should come here, and those things, but it's more mathematical to say that we subtract 5 from both sides. So if we subtract 5 from both sides, we have minus 5 here. This takes care of this, and we have minus 5 here. So we have 4 minus 5. So minus x is equal to, here is equal to minus, so minus 6 here of minus, and x equal to 1. So that is the way to go about that one. Alright, now the last question says 8 raised to x, number 3 says 8 raised to x, 8x raised to power 1 over 2 minus x raised to power minus 1 is equal to 0. And x is not 0. So what do we do here? Now, the very easy thing to do is, let's take this guy to this side, or add this guy to both sides. So we are going to say plus x, inverse of x, plus on this side, and plus inverse of x on this side. So that this place take care of this. So that we have 8x raised to power half is equal to what? X raised to power minus 1. Is that okay? So what we'll do here is we'll divide both sides. We'll divide both sides by x raised to power half. So that becomes x raised to power half over x raised to power half. So this takes care of this. And with this we have 8 is equal to x raised to power minus 1 divided by x raised to power half. Is that okay? So division of bases means addition, subtraction of power. So we have 8 will be equal to x raised to power minus 1 minus half. Is that okay? So this becomes, let's bring it here, it becomes 8. No, let's continue here. 8 equal to x raised to power minus 1 over 1 over 2. Is that okay? minus 1 over 1 over 2. This becomes 8 is equal to x raised to the power minus 3 over 2. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. All right. So now we have 8 is equal to 1 over x raised to the power 3 over 2 from the inverse thing that we did here. So this thing means inverse. This thing means inverse. We take the inverse of this. And from here, we can now, if we cross multiply, we have from here, we have 8x raised to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 1. All right. So what do we do from here? We can divide both sides by 8. If we divide through by 8, we're going to have this. So x will be equal to x raised to the power 3 over 2 will be equal to 1 over 8. Okay, yeah. From here now, we can do something. We can now multiply both sides by this power, by taking the second power and the third root of both sides. Second power, third root. So that this takes care of this takes care of this. So that we have x is equal to 1 over. Now this becomes the third root of 8 and the square power of 8. Is that okay? So that x becomes, the third root of 8 is 2. So squared, x is equal to 1 over 4. Now there was 1 there because if you take the third root and second, nothing changes with 1. Is that okay? So here is our answer. All right. This is it for this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to share more educative contents like this. I started this question from one of my 100 level student questions. So, and you know, they look technical, but they're actually not technical. So make sure you share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. God bless you.